पण प्लॅन आहे भांगी न्ही व्हडल्या साय म्हणटा तो ऑलमोस्ट स्क्रॅप जावपाचो आसा वो जाला
See, last time there was a meeting because CM is the chairman of waste management. Last time there was a meeting in the month of March. At that time I was not keeping well, so I did not attend that meeting. I have just checked on. I have just checked what has happened about that meeting. They had deferred this thing to the next meeting. Now see, tomorrow my demand is there. You will hear my answer tomorrow.
ओके पूण आतां सद्याक स्क्रॅप आतां तशें काय ना
Tomorrow you will hear my answer. No, my
Okay.
demands are there tomorrow.
Okay,
Tomorrow
another
that,
issue is that,
that
sir,
question will be raised.
सर आयज सकाळीं इन्स्पेक्शन जालें तो एक ब्रीज फूट ओवर ब्रीज आसा पळय मिरामार तेजेर
Yeah.
सो तेजेर कितें
See now, what is the latest thing? What I have information I received is that PWD basically has already given a feasibility report as far as the thing is concerned. The state of affair of that what is that?
Foot over bridge.
Bridge. Now the file basically will go to the collector. We will get issue an order from the collector to pull it down.
सो डिमॉलिशन
Yeah, to demolish.
थर्ड थिंग इज दॅट काल 2-3 दीस पळयत जाल्यार एक झाड पळय दुसऱ्या झाडान काल एक अपघातूय जालो
No, so that is the reason what I'm trying to say. See, this is a natural calamity. I cannot say anything about it. But we are trying to basically take precaution. I have instructed this commissioner also. Commissioner, in fact, last night only got in touch with RFO. And today they basically started checking all the trees as far as Panjim is concerned.
ओके
So that thing, see, we should not wait basically for incidents to happen basically to do this. This should have been done much before.
So and the other thing is that the Rwanda road is in very bad condition.
See, if you go to see all the roads around the city, even I told you, around are in bad condition.
पणजे सगळेच रस्ते गेले
No, sorry?
पणजे सगळेच रस्ते ऑटमिक्स केले ते आता सगळे वाहून गेले
आता कित्याक व्हांवन गेल्या ते पयशे पडटले न्हू.
बट क्वालिटी ती सारकी ना
पळय कित्याक व्हांवन गेल्या ते पयशे पडटले. आतां हांवें तुका पयलें लागून सांगलेलें की एज फार एज हें आहा consultant should be made responsible for all this thing because they must be the people who are sanctioning the basically the bills of this
Contractors.
what is the contractors.
Action कोणाचेरूच जायना at the end of the day.
ना एक्शन जातलें न्हू स्लो प्रोसेस आसता न्हू ती बाबा जस्ट वी कॅनॉट जस्ट टेक
Action जातली.
एंड ना एक्शन जावंकूच जाय न्हू एक्शन जावंक जाय पयलीं सुद्दां इतले कोट्यांनी रुपया धर हें मोडटात हें करपाक स्मार्ट सिटी आनी करपाक आनी तें सारकें जर काम जायना जाल्यार कोणाक हू इज टू बी ब्लेम फॉर दॅट इट इज अल्टिमेटली इट शूड बी द कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर ओनली बिकॉज देन क्वालिटी इज नॉट बीन मेंटेन सो दॅट इज वॉट आय एम ट्रायंग टू से सो वी विल बेसिकली सी टू इट why basically this rain in one rain only this roads have been washed off. So we will fix the response.
लोक सफर जाता त्या खातीर
People are suffering, I know that. Everyone, people, we everyone included. Yeah, thank you so much.